Hello guys, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys screen tap sound guys, how can we on and use? Friends, you want to on guys your phone tap sound settings of how can we on and how can we use? Today guys I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, open guys phone sound and vibration guys, click on phone sound and vibration setting guys, tap here. Again scroll it. Friends, you can see get this haptic setting as tap here. Friends, you can see your sound guys, system sound guys, you can use get this sound from here. The last one guys, the touch sound when tap sound guys, we will on from here. After one guys, you can see when we click on any phone setting guys, any icon and guys, any button. So friends, you can use get this tap sound here. So like that guys, you can use guys your phone tap sound setting guys, you want to on, so you can on and you can off from here guys. Again click on sound and vibration guys, you don't want to use, so guys you can off from here. After guys, you can tap on guys your phone buttons and icon guys, this tap sound will not work. So like that guys, we can on and off guys screen tap sound setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video.